Hello everyone, welcome to Runway. So what exactly is Runway? Runway is an AI platform that lets us use models within its own ecosystem to generate various outputs like images, videos, and voice using artificial intelligence to create or enhance our existing product. It's one of the most widely used AI tools globally, offering an exceptional product. So there you have it. This is Runway. How do we create a Runway account? Just go to RUNWAY ML, click Get Started, enter your email, and you're ready to use the platform. Alright, welcome to Runway. First of all, I'll explain how to use the motion tracking tool. If we go to all the existing tools, we'll scroll down to the motion tracking section. We'll select it. Basically, motion tracking takes an element from a video. Let's upload the video. It fixes that element and makes the camera or zoom follow it. For instance, if I've selected a fish, I have this fish here. If I want to do motion tracking on the fish, I select it. As you can see, if I preview or play it, it'll follow the fish. As you can see, this is done using artificial intelligence. There's a small slip when the other fish passes over it. We need to guide it and indicate the correct spot. We add another point, so we have a start point and a second point. There it is, and this is how we achieve motion tracking. We select it again as it has gone off the screen, and we're setting up the keyframes, which you can see down there. As you can see, it's doing an amazing job. Here it says welcome. We have a quick tutorial explaining how to use it. Once we're done tracking, we just click stop tracking. It says take a moment to get comfortable. All right, no worries. We create this, and now that we have the tracking, let's see if I can play it. Now that we have the tracking, what we can do, we can edit it again in case it wasn't done properly. Now we can simply add text to the tracking to make the text constantly follow along. We just need to link it. For some reason it's crashing on me, but anyway, we just need to link it. Link the layer from here to this text layer. And there we have the motion tracking done. How can we upscale an image? Well, in Runway, we'll go to the tools section, scroll down to upscale image and upload an image. In this case, I have this image of some pears, which might not be the best quality. We simply select which image we want to scale. As you see, the input is 500 x 750 and will scale to 1980. We click process and it'll be scaled. This is the before and this is the after. You might not notice much difference, but there is one. I can't imagine what it'd do if, let's see, all from your original look, the before and after, there's clearly a big difference. If we wanted, we could scale up to 4K or more if we had the premium version. So that's how we can scale images. How can we add color to an image using Runway? Well, we simply go to all tools in the Runway ML section. We then select add color in add color. We just choose any black and white image. I'll pick this silhouette. Alright, here it is. We click colorize. It should theoretically be able to color our image. Let's see what result we get. Looks like it's done, and there we have it. Here's the original and the colorized version. It's actually done a pretty good job. We can reset and upload another image too, so that's how we do it. How can we add subtitles with Runway ML? Basically, we go to all tools. In the all tools section, we scroll down to subtitles where we can add any file. I'll select one of the latest videos I've recorded. Here we can choose the language, for example Spanish, then hit generate and it will create the subtitles. There it is, we can see it now. Welcome to Runway, an AI platform and more. Here we have the generated subtitles. As you can see how it generates them and so on, not much else. Obviously we can modify them and all that. We can edit each text individually, so that's how it's done. How can we transcribe a video using Runway ML? To do this, we'll go to all tools, then head to the transcript section. We'll simply select a video that can be transcribed, choose the language, in this case Spanish, hit generate, and it'll start creating a transcription of the video we've uploaded. Okay, transcription gives us the text, and as you can see, not just the text but also timestamps and more. It's really impressive how it does this. We can also edit the transcription, adjust timings and more, or even export the file in .srte format once we're done. Got it? And that's it. That's how to make a transcription in Runway. Here's how to remove the silence from audio using Runway ML. First, go to all tools in the menu. Scroll down and select remove silence. Choose any video you want to remove silence from. There are two parameters, padding and threshold. Padding is the margin of silence you want to keep, like 0.1 or 0.2 seconds. This keeps some silence for a more natural sound. 0.1 seconds works well. Then there's the threshold, which, oh look, the threshold is marked in red. That red marking makes me a bit nervous. I've marked where I speak, and the threshold, at -1 it detects everything as speech. At -16 it's detected the actual speech part. If it's at -41 and all grey, it'll cut. Let's make sure it's all red. Let's click remove silences. If it's red, it shouldn't cut in theory. Let's see. Models of Maybe if it's red, it does cut. Let's keep it all gray. There it is. Welcome everyone to... Now it's done everything correctly. If it's all gray, it won't cut. Here's the result. Welcome everyone to Runway. So what exactly is Runway? Runway is an AI platform. The video's loading more now, but it worked well for me. We can just hit export and we're done. How can we get clean audio, denoise audio, or any audio filter you want with Runway? Simply go to All Tools, scroll down, and select Clean Audio. Here, we select a video or audio file and click Clean Audio. Runway will start processing and cleaning our audio. This is useful when we're speaking with lots of background noise. Runway uses AI to clean these areas by detecting and filtering noise. As you can see, it takes a while. It's a 1-minute video, so let's wait. After waiting, here's the result. Hi everyone, welcome to Runway. So, what is Runway? Runway is an artificial intelligence platform. It's not only improved the audio, but also increased volume and quality. It's really quite good. We can save it now. And that's how we can improve our audio with Runway. You can also extract the DEVI, which is basically what we'd use for 3D models and such. In Runway, go to All Tools, scroll down and find where it says Extract Dev, upload it, and I'm not sure if this fish video will work as an example, but I'll upload this fish video and wait for it to load. There it is, just a fish swimming. Let's hit process and see what happens. Wow, it worked really well. If we play it, we can see the effect. So it turned out great, okay? Now just hit export, choose the format, MP4, ProRes, resolution, and audio option. And that's it, simple as that. Let's explore how we can detect scenes with Runway. What do I mean by scene detection? If you have a long video with different scenes, like a movie, you can extract each scene individually. Runway allows you to do this if you go to All Tools, then navigate to Scene Detection, upload a video. I don't have a movie clip right now, but you'd upload your video and click to export all scenes. It'll export in your chosen format and settings. Scene Detection automatically splits videos into separate scenes for easy editing, so that's how we can use this feature. How can we apply depth of field and bandwidth, which is essentially a depth of field effect? First, we go to All Tools, we scroll down and select depth of field. We choose the video we want to apply it to. Here's the video, though it doesn't look like this. It shows us the original video. And after applying the depth of field, it looks like this. See, we can adjust the focal length to focus on different areas. It lets us focus based on distance. We can also set the intensity. 100% might be too strong, but if we want to focus more on the P, this setting works well. Just hit process and it's done. That's how we can do it. How can we blur faces using Runway? Let's go to All Tools, then to blur faces inside the All Tools section in the video part. Obviously, we need a video with faces, so we'll upload our file if we need to. Once uploaded, it'll start blurring the faces. Here we can adjust the blur intensity, and that's it. It's that simple. When we're done, we just export and it's ready. How can we create super slow motion using Runway's guide? Well, basically, we go to the All Tools section. We select super slow motion and upload a video, obviously. For example, this video is of a pet simply moving around. Now we're going to apply super slow motion. I'll go extreme, setting it to 0.20, which is 5 times slower. I'm going to hit process. Let's see what it does and how well it does it. It'll use AI to sync each frame in the video. It'll process all the frames and we'll see the result. Watch this. I've done it. Let's see when I hit play. There's the super slow effect, clearly using AI, as I mentioned. The result looks amazing. It's not bad at all. Simply hit export to save it and you're done. How can you apply color grading using AI with Runway? Basically, we go to All Tools, scroll down and select Color Grade. The cool thing about Color Grade is it enhances the visual quality of our uploads, whether it's a video or an image. Yesterday, I uploaded an image and I tried Golden Hour. Let's apply that. I'll hit generate and see what happens. Well, maybe that wasn't the best color grade, huh? It tells us it creates color filters from scratch using descriptive text. If this is the original, maybe blue? Yeah. I'm not sure how to describe a filter, honestly. Dark blue, yeah. Let's see what it does based on that description, which might not be the best, but let's see what it does. I described a dark blue sea and the result is definitely blue. As you can see, it's not automatic. Honestly, I'd hate it if it were automatic. I also get that color grading is quite artistic, so much that automating it would be a bit odd. Once we're happy, we just hit export and we're done. How can we do our in-painting with Runway? Well, we simply go to All Tools, then to the in-painting section. As you can see, they tell us we need to choose a plan. Once we have a plan, we'll be able to use in-painting, which lets us select an area to remove or recolor it, or add a new object, like swapping a lime for an orange. And those are the kinds of things we can do with it. How can we generate a 3D texture using Runway? Simply go to All Tools and find the 3D texture option. Here, I'll input mushroom as an example. Click Generate and it'll start creating the mushroom texture. Let's see what we get. And there's our texture. The mushroom texture turned out well, as expected. It's not a typical texture I'd usually request. Let's try generating grass instead. Grass is common, but let's give it a shot. I prefer something unusual to test its capabilities. Here's the grass texture it created. This is quite standard. We can adjust the resolution. We can modify other settings too. Oh, the page seems to have crashed. We can change the shape from a cube. We can make it a sphere instead. Tiling, lighting, and other aspects are adjustable. Once done, just click to obtain the final result. I'm not sure if it'll crash again. Look, we can also adjust the lighting. We can increase the ambient light if needed. Directional light and tiling are also changeable. You can see how it all works now. This one looks good, for instance. Let's see if it allows me to save as an image. It renders as an image and a sphere. The sphere option causes a crash. Well, that's how we can create 3D textures. How to create a 3D capture with Runway. Simply go to All Tools, select 3D Capture, and click Create New. To make a 3D capture, upload a video of the object from 3 angles. They show us the 3 angles A, B, and C to guide us. Once we've uploaded the 3 videos, it suggests 30 seconds to 3 minutes long, disable HDR, choose camera settings with the highest FPS possible, and move the camera slowly to reduce blur. Name it, click Next, it'll train and give us the 3D model we scan. It's that simple. Let's convert a video using Runway LM. Go to All Tools, select Video to Video, and upload our clip here. As you can see, while the video loads, we have this is the video. Here we can set a style reference. Let's say, for example, anime. We want to transform this video into anime. I'll set the style intensity to 80%. The seed doesn't matter. Just hit generate. It's now generating and says it'll take a couple minutes, so we'll wait. Well, it's not generating for some reason, but that's how you'd use Gen 1. Simple, right? How can we generate image variations with Runway ML? Basically, go to All Tools, select Image Variation, choose an image like this one, and generate 4 variations. Just wait. It doesn't ask for variation type or style. I think it just changes colors. Or I doubt it changes shape. Oh wow, it changed everything. Look, here's the original and it made these images. It varied everything without care. So that's how you can use this tool. How can we regenerate an image background? That is, take an image's background and change it. Well, we'll go to All Tools in Runway. Then we'll go to Backdrop Remix and we'll choose an image. This one with a background, and I'm going to tell it, oh, I can scale it and everything. Scale 1.25, the original aspect ratio. And I'll tell it I want a coffee shop, and there, a coffee shop. I'll click Generate. Let's see what it does. I have no idea. And there we have it. It made 4 images. It kept the man's silhouette and put him in a coffee shop. Yes, it was quite something, huh? It made 4, by the way. And I scaled it a bit. The image, not bad. Not bad. This one's pretty good. This is the best, no doubt. Okay, it's true that the street part remains. It's a cafe in the middle of the street. Well, a bit odd. True, I didn't pick the best image, black and white, a bit ugly, but still, it's simple. How can we erase and replace objects using AI with Runway? We go to All Tools, find Erase and Replace, select it and use this image. We can simply select this pear, for example, and say we want an apple. There's a configuration section where we can adjust the prompt strength and choose whether to use a fixed setting. We also have quick selection. If we don't want to select manually, we can use this tool, and there's an eraser, sorry, not eraser, a marker. We can go back. Now, let's select the pear and generate an apple to see what it does. There we have it, a nice apple. We can accept or cancel. It gives me 4 models. Let's choose the second one. There it is. If I want to do this again, I just select and generate another apple. That's how you can remove or replace. Not sure what happened here, I'll cancel. It's that simple. Let's explore frame interpolation, which generates new frames between existing ones to improve video quality. We'll go to All Tools in Runway, select frame interpolation, and upload this image. Of course, we'd need a second image, right? Let's see what it does. Clip duration, 10 seconds. I thought it would work with videos, but no, it's actually for images, not videos. I must say, these 2 images have no connection at all. Let's check out the video it created. It interpolates frames, transitioning from my face to the other image. Again, the images are unrelated, but that's how image interpolation works. Can we expand an image using Runway? We go to All Tools and then Expand Image. We upload the image we want, these pears, for example. We set the scale. Here it's 0.5 comma, so let's keep it original. And the prompt, it generates automatically. The prompt is already there. See some pears in a white bowl next to one. Okay, I'll hit generate, and theoretically it should scale the image, and there it is. We can see the clearly original image, which is the bowl, and it's added a few more bowls. If I set it to 1x, what does that mean? Oh, I see. 1x is normal size, and 0.5 is like doubling, right? And that's how we can scale our images. How can we create an infinite image using Runway LM? Well, we'll go to All Tools, select Infinite Image, and this is where the magic happens. We'll enter photorealistic image of a card and accept it. Here in the frame section, I'm not sure if it's for generating 2 images. Indeed, there it is. As you can see, it's using up credits, okay? Theoretically, I should be able to select the image and enlarge it. But as you can see, the section is infinite and so on. It's endless karma. I just lost the images, but there they are. This is a massive karma thing. Let's see if I can... No, I can't make it smaller. But look, I can keep scrolling. There's more space. Maybe that's what infinite image means. So that's it. It's that simple. How can we create an image from images? This can be done using Runway. I'll upload these pairs. To do this, we'll go to Runway LM, then to Alt Tools. We'll select image to image. I'll choose these pairs, for example. I'll request SD resolution. For outputs, let's go with 2. And I'll set the style to cartoon. Here we can describe our image if we want. For instance, a white bowl with pears. Let's click generate. Had to use apples as it misinterpreted pears. AI quirks, you know. And here's what it produced. You might ask, what's this? Well, it's what works. We can choose various styles and images here. This image and prompt aren't ideal. We could get better results. Let's create an image with text in Runway ML. We'll go to All Tools, select Text to Image. Here we simply type our prompt. Well, let's see. A Cookie Monster. It does remind me of Cookie Monster, actually. Now we set the resolution. We can set aspect ratio style like 80s. For outputs, I'll choose 2. Click 1, then hit generate. We can also click this light bulb here. Hit generate. The bulb helps improve our prompt. It rejected my prompt as unsuitable. I ended up with man at computer desk. Added vaporwave style. Let's see the result. And there we have it. This is what it generated for me. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. How can we remove the background from a video? Basically, we go to All Tools and Runway LM, then click on Remove Background. As you can see, it's a tool available in the paid plan, but essentially what it's going to do for us is simply allow us to upload a video and choose whether we want to remove its background or not, or just remove the background and replace it with one generated by AI, which is what you're seeing now, right? So yeah, that's how it's done. Let's use lip sync in Runway LM. Go to All Tools, select lip sync. Here we simply upload an image. For example, this girl. You can input the dialogue here. Hello, have a really good day. As you see, we have up to 10 dialogues. I'll wait for the video to upload. It's taking long to detect the face. There, they've detected the face. We have options to generate speech, etc. Then we click on, select a voice. Sorry. To delete, click here, voice selection. It's selected. We can record audio for speech or choose a voice from here. I'll pick Noah. There it is. It says I need more credits. Don't have 10 credits, but we'd click here. How can we generate audio with Runway ML? Well, we go to All Tools, select Generate Audio, and here we have the option to generate speech. We can see all the available voices here, right? It must be this. Here we simply write the text and get speech output, okay? We type the text. Hello, have a good day. All right, we pick Maggie's voice, hit generate, and it'll create Maggie saying, hello, have a good day. Got it. It's basically text to speech. Now I'll hit play. There it is, and we can easily download it, see? So that's it. Pretty straightforward. Let's use Runway's generative session tool. Just go to All Tools, select generative session, and you can upload a video. It says drop an image or video. We'll pick an asset we already have, like this video here. Hit crop, and it'll ask how to describe our video style and more. Restyle seems to be the first frame. Examples? Let's say 3D cartoons. This is how we could restyle our video. I can't show it as I'm out of credits, so I won't go further. You can choose the model, Gen 2, Gen 3, and others. This lets you restyle your video or image, creating a new video or image. It's that simple. Alright, let's talk about Runway's payment plans. We'll go to Upgrade for Access and check out all the plans. As you can see, there are various types of plans. We'll focus on the monthly plan, obviously. For $15 a month, we get 625 credits. That's about 125 seconds of Gen 3 Turbo, or 62 seconds of Gen 3 Alpha. So the prices are quite high. We can remove watermarks and get 100 GB storage, plus unlimited editor projects and access to tech support at $35/month, 2250 credits and more space. Also the option to create custom voices. at $95/month, unlimited access to frames, and 2250 credits monthly, same as before. Do I recommend it? No, I think it's expensive. Runway is one of the best tools available today. I get why these are the prices, period. They're market leaders after all. If you're really into their video generation, well, this is what's available. Prices are what they are, not much else to say. Hope you enjoyed. See you in future videos.